Hi, I'm trying to diagnose a cylinder 1 misfire on a 98 Ford Taurus. So there's the code. I'm going to start it up, and there's spark, but I'm not sure if the injector is good or if it's a lifter. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So as it runs and warms up, there's kind of a gradual shake to it, and then I'm going to show you what the live data looks like. So I'm going to switch this to live data. And you can see the service light is on, which it's going to start flashing as the car keeps going. And there are no other codes, even if it runs for a while. It's only cylinder 1 misfire. So here you see that the left trim is 17 and 14% for short and long, so there's a lot of fuel being added to it. And that's on bank 1, where the cylinder 1 is, and bank 2 I think is about normal. There it is, so 8% and 14% on bank 1, and basically just 3% on bank 2. And it's starting to shake right now. The engine light isn't flashing yet. I'm going to go to the engine. And I think you can hear something from the exhaust. It's not shaking too bad yet, but you can sort of hear that, and that's the miss, I think. And I'm not sure if that's what sort of a miss that is. There is spark. I've lifted the spark plug cable, and it is arcing. So I'm not sure. Let's see, live data. So trim is 17% on bank 1, and whoops. And I noticed that when running at 2,000 RPMs, so now I'm running at 2,000 RPMs. It doesn't shake as much, but I still think there's a miss. It seems smooth, but there's a lack of power, so I'm sure cylinder 1 is still cutting out. So right now the trim is 14% on the long term. So okay, I'm gonna shut it off, and hopefully I can get some opinions on this. Thank you.